Oh, there is a golden rule to drive the bike or the scooty on road. What is the golden rule? Okay, so today, if you will look around your right hand side, that is the south direction, you will see half face of the moon and you will love it. That is the golden rule. Oh, I'm just joking. So the golden rule is that कि अगर आप रोड पे ड्राइव कर रहे हो तो आपका 95% if you are driving, then 95% of that driving skill is based on the practice and the skill that do you know about how to drive and how to take U-turn, how to give the indicator, where to give the brake and where to give the honk. Okay, and 5% or you can say 10% is driving by your brain. अगर आप दिमाग से ड्राइव नहीं कर रहे हो तो आपकी ड्राइविंग स्किल्स, आपकी ड्राइविंग प्रैक्टिस, आपकी ड्राइविंग टीचिंग स्किल्स will be just like, just feel like they are not realistic, they are not practically helping you in driving on the road. क्योंकि आपको ये तो सिखा दिया जाएगा कि सड़कें इस तरीके से होती है, आपको यहाँ पे ब्रेक लेना है, इस तरीके से क्लच लेना है, इस तरीके से आपको यहाँ पे हॉर्न करना है और इस तरीके से अगर कोई गाड़ी है तो आपको इस तरीके से टर्न करना है. बट in reality what happens is that on road you will fail to follow that same rule because you are not, and you can't give the guarantee कि सामने वाली गाड़ी किधर से कब क्रॉस करेगी. इंडिकेटर उधर का दे रही है लेकिन वो घूम इधर रही है. तो you have to be attentive while driving, and along with that you will get loud of honks around yourself. And being a girl, I also get the unconscious making eyesights. But ignoring that all, I have to just focus on my driving and I have to be present mentally on the road. मतलब कि फिजिकली प्रेजेंट तो होना ही था लेकिन मेंटली भी आपको प्रेजेंट होना है एज अ ड्राइवर if you are driving the bike or the scooty. And what happens if you are mentally absent, if you are not present while driving? Driving in imaginations happens, but driving in reality fails or results in accidents or unwanted glitches. It also take your time, it also frustrates you, it also makes you angry. So if someone is breaking the law or breaking the rules on that road while driving and you can't be able to cope with it if you are not present mentally. So be present to not to be broken by the broken circumstances or by broken rules on the road.